My name is Dr. Kieran Judge, and I would like to welcome you all to the GI Physiology Lab in the Mercy University Hospital Cork. Supragastric belching. Supragastric belching results from air being sucked in from the mouth and into the esophagus, i.e. it arises from superior to the stomach. This arises when an initial physiological reflex to clear an unpleasant sensation from the distal esophagus becomes a semi-habitual action. The diaphragm contracts downwards, creating negative pressure within the esophagus. This sucks air into the esophagus. In many cases, air does not enter the stomach, but rather moves up and down within the esophagus, causing chest discomfort before it is rapidly pushed back out of the esophagus as a belch. This can happen many times a day and can have major impact on the lives of patients. In some cases, the air in the esophagus can also mimic food or fluid, causing the lower esophageal sphincter to relax, allowing gastric contents and acid to reflux into the lower esophagus, causing irritation and in some cases, inflammation. Research has consistently shown that the best form of treatment for this condition is the diaphragmatic breathing exercise. We hope you have enjoyed the video and have found the information useful.